functions, we will deal in this section or lecture keyword arguments. These are represented differently. For example, star arguments is like the variable length arguments which we have dealt with earlier. Then keyword arguments are represented by the variable star KW arguments, KW arguments in Python. So we can pass a variable number of arguments to a function using special symbols. These are special symbols we are using: KW argument and argument. Star KW argument and star argument. We shall deal with immediately. We'll start with non-keyword arguments. Non-keyword arguments are, we have dealt already, as I said, variable length arguments represented by star argument v. For example, I have written a function here, my function argument v. So for argument in argument v, now this argument v represents a list of arguments which we are going to pass. So as you see here, so then it takes each of these and prints. For example, I am saying my function, hello, welcome to St. Joseph's. So what does it do? It takes each of these. So this is the list. It takes the first argument, prints that, and goes. For example, here is the outcome of that. Hello, welcome to St. Joseph. So these are 1, 2, 3. St. Joseph's is one. It should have been one word. Yes. So this is about non-keyword arguments. Now we come to one more example here. First and star argument v. This is the variable length argument. So first one will be here, print first, and then here you say for argument in argument v, then you print each of these. For example, here again you have given hello, welcome to St. Joseph's. So first is hello, because it's the first one. You have given first one, and welcome to St. Joseph's will be part of the variable length argument. And as you see, it prints hello, welcome to St. Joseph's. So this is. Now we deal with what is called keyword argument list. It's something like the dictionary. Dictionary, you have got a key and a word, as you see here in the example which we will given to you. So the special syntax star KW argument in function definition is used to pass keyworded variable length argument. Keyword but variable length. It depends on how many arguments you are going to give when you use this function. So for example, here you have my function again, star KW arguments. So you can set therefore key and value. So I print the key and value in KWARGS dot items. As we remember, this is from the dictionary. So let us take one example. For example, I have got say first is equal to Denzel, middle is equal to Irvin, last is equal to Lobo. So what happens therefore? It comes to key and value. So key and value, they are printed here as you see. First is equal to Denzel, middle is equal to Irvin, last is equal to Lobo. So this is how I use star KW argument. So the reason is because the double star allows us to pass through keyword arguments of and any number of items. Therefore, it's variable length keyword argument list. So good example. Thank you.